up, guys? The Electric Life here, back with another unboxing. What's all these unboxings? I just wanted to show you guys. I got a lot of things coming in the mail, so I think that's kind of cool. You know the symbol? You guys know that symbol? You know what? I've avoided that symbol. I've gone through a lot of helmets. Sometimes you need your wife, your beautiful lady, to say, I want that kind of helmet. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get one for myself, you know? So, ended up getting the Magma, the red here, and all my helmets are black, guys. I got a little bit of color, and anyways, check this out. We got this on 2-day shipping, and pretty much did come pretty quick. So there we go. I'm gonna do the whole flip ski. I thought I said Google inside. Goggle inside. All right, guys. Let's just get right to it here. Come on, up and over a little bit, Don. I know. So they can see what we see. All right, helmet. What do we got here? Oh, that's kind of cool. Looks like a keychain, some stickers, some little stickies. Cool. Right on, Ruroc. Sometimes it's the small things, right? Cool bag. Okay. This is kind of like Christmas. This actually is our Christmas presents to each other, or at least my Christmas gift. I think she says now it's one of them, but. Oh, good. I can see the red through the plastic. Kind of cool. I like the tease. I like the tease. You guys ready? You guys, this is my. Oh, I think she let out a gasp behind the camera. She wants to trade already. Just joking. Her helmet came out awesome. But wow. Wow. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be, which is kind of cool. There. Kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can catch the reflections, kind of. See, I'm more Brutus than finesse. Ooh. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. I mean, how many of us probably just bought the helmet just for the... So I've actually never even tried a Ruroc helmet. You know, guys know I'm part of Base Skate. And in the beginning, that was a big deal. And now it's become less fashionable. But that's when it's actually fashionable for me and my lady. And you know what? If it's a good helmet, I don't give a shit about the what the cool kids think. Cool kids are following me riding e-bikes now, so... Trendsetters, we know what's up. Awesome, guys. I'm gonna put this all together, and then I'll show you what I look like with it, because I don't want to put this puzzle together on film. Anyways, shipping awesome, beautiful. Let's put this thing on. Ooh, yeah. You can't see me smiling, but I am. What do you guys think? Like it? Like it? Boom, boom. Ruroc helmet. Ruroc. You need models. So it looks like, guys, get some stickers. Cool. A guide. This is how you wear your helmet. And I think the coolest thing is this keychain. Look at that, dude. That's actually pretty cool. Now that's worth like 10 bucks. I'll take it. Right on. All right, guys. Hopefully you'll see me out in some videos, and I'm definitely gonna do a review of all my helmets. I got a lot of helmets. I always get asked randomly, so helmet review coming soon. Rock and roll, guys.